Have you ever wondered what the send keyword means in Ruby's abstract syntax tree? If you're diving into Ruby's lexer and parser, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the meaning of the send keyword and how it fits into Ruby's code structure. I totally get it. Learning about Ruby's lexer and parser can be overwhelming, especially when you encounter complex terms like send. You're not alone in this journey, and many developers have faced similar questions. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked about the definition of the send keyword in the S expression notation generated from their Ruby code. They provided a code snippet that defines a simple method and uses puts to display the result. Let's explore this together. So what does send actually do? In Ruby, send is a method that allows you to invoke a method by name, even if that method is private. It plays a crucial role in how Ruby handles method calls, especially in the context of the abstract syntax tree. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to better understand Ruby's syntax tree, which will make your coding journey much smoother. To understand the meaning of the send keyword in Ruby's abstract syntax tree, or AST, we first need to recognize its role in method calls. The send keyword is used to invoke a method on an object. In the provided S expression, the first instance of send is used to perform the addition operation. Here, it takes two local variables, a and b, and applies the plus method to them. The second instance of send is used to call the puts method. This is how the result of the add method is printed to the console. In summary, the send keyword is crucial for method invocation in Ruby. It allows the execution of methods dynamically, which is a powerful feature of the language. Fun fact, did you know that Ruby was created in the mid-90s by Yukihiro Matsumoto? He wanted to make programming more enjoyable, and the send method is just one of the many features that reflect that philosophy. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that in Ruby, everything is an object, including numbers. They clarify that operators are just syntactic sugar for method calls. For example, the expression 3.14 plus 42 can be expressed as a method call using send, where you send the plus message to the number 3.14 with 42 as an argument. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. This user explains that in Ruby, the send keyword is used to send messages between objects. For example, when you see A plus B, it means the message plus is sent to the object in A with B as an argument. Similarly, puts add 1, 2 sends the message add to self, passing 1 and 2 as arguments, and then sends puts with the result. It's important to note that this usage is different from the object send method, which allows dynamic message sending. Here's a quick tip. When working with Ruby's abstract syntax tree, always visualize how methods are being called. It can help you understand the flow of your code better. And there you have it. Now you know what the send keyword means in Ruby's abstract syntax tree. Keep exploring Ruby, and remember, every question you have is a step towards becoming a better developer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights.